Hi friends, today we'll be looking at 90-100 tire options by Michelin. These tires usually come in with your Duo, Activa, Race-Dar, Fascino, Mastro. So the model you're looking at right now is the City Pro. This pattern was launched by Michelin when Michelin India started first. And the next pattern we have is the latest launch by Michelin, that is Pilot Street 2. These two are totally different tires, so they have different characteristics and performance when put on your bike. So I'll be showing you the basic difference. Hopefully every one of you guys have seen or probably ridden one of these City Pro models, since these have been since the start of Michelin in India, and these are pretty good tires for your motor scooters. This is the 90-110 City Pro. You can see how the water channeling design works in Michelin City Pro. It has center rib followed by the side ribs, which channel out your water when you're riding on a wet surface. This was pretty good for daily commutes and on any type of roads. And here we have the latest Pilot Street 2. So this is basically an improved version of tire for the daily commute purpose. This is a street tire. You can see the deep and aggressive pattern on it. It is a totally different tire compared to the earlier existing City Pro, since there is no rib channel in this tire compared to what existed on the City Pro. However, Michelin claims that the stickiness in wet surface has been improved in Pilot Street 2 tires, and so far I've got positive reviews regarding this. This has worked far better compared to the City Pros. I have been recommending City Pro on the front since it has the rib pattern and might more effectively channel out water compared to the Street 2, which has no rib line. So this is my personal suggestion, and I have seen people riding with Pilot Street 2 on the front and the rear. They have had no complaints on it, since they like to have the same pattern of tires, and to the front and the rear they have been using such kind of combination. And guys, these are the tire markings. The rotation for the front wheel should be this way and for the rear wheel should be that way. So I'll show you how it will look when it's fitted on a front wheel. It will have this kind of rotation on a front wheel and the reverse rotation on your rear wheel. So guys, always make sure you fit the tire on the right rotational direction. So that's how the water channeling works, and it will give you a better grip in all kinds of surfaces. Michelin Pilot Street 2. These tires last as approximately between 15 to 18,000 kilometers on a regular motor scooter like Honda Activa. Let's be practical. Any tire given the life, it may vary according to the riding style of the rider and also the terrain he is riding on. These mileages, tire mileage I'm talking about, is usually for the track test where they ride it in a super smooth condition. Everything is standard and set. There's no variations in whatsoever riding condition. So the tire mileage may vary, but what you guys can look up to is standard grip in all kinds of weather conditions with the Pilot Street 2. That is guaranteed by the company, as they claim it's all-weather tire. So they should do very well in wet conditions also compared to the City Pro. Also, this is compared to the City Pro. Here, as you can see, when I just press on it, it just goes in. So as for with the Street 2, it's a pretty hard, heavy gauge tire. So I think this should last pretty well, longer than the City Pro. People who have been using this have also recommended it to their friends, so I believe it's actually working. What the company claims to be is happening in practical road conditions also. So if any of you guys have used these tires in your bike, please let us know your personal review on these tires, how they fared. If you have used both of these tires on a period of time, please let us know what was the difference you felt using these tires. And also guys, if any of you want to know the pricing, the City Pro comes in around between 1,250 to 1,350, and the Street 2 model comes in between 1,350 to 1,450, depending upon where you're buying from. And a special shout out to one of our subscribers, Prem Singh, He's the one who had requested this topic. If you guys want to see any other tires to be reviewed or compared, please let us know in the comment section, and please hit the subscribe button for more such informative videos. Stay safe guys, safe riding. See you in another video.